Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Solidify modifier. For example, why this Solidify is important. Let us see why it's important. Shift A and let's go to put a plane here, and when we put a plane here, what we will do is that we will go to the Solidify. Maybe nothing happened, you will say. We will extract it like this, you see? This is the thickness of it. We can change it like this. The negative one will go up and the positive one will go down. For example, you have a floor, you will put it 0.2 meters, 0.2 meters, because it's slab, the 20 centimeter of the slab. In architecture, you might study it or not. You can now study it now, right now. Okay, this is the slab or the floor. The cement or the blocks are thickness are 0.2. okay, keep that in mind. And if you want to measure it, you can come to here and measure it like this, 0.2. okay, so what about the offset? You can put it on this. This was the offset in negative direction. We'll make it in positive direction and it will go up, you see. And what we will do is that we have fill rim. If you don't fill it, it will something like this happens. We will fill it and we will say even thickness. It will make it even. Maybe you will say, what's the difference between even thickness? If you have it, if you not, I'll show you a little bit later. Only rim, no, I will not show you this. Let us see. Another thing is that I will delete this one and make a box or a cube. Let's put it in here, and what you will do is that I will select this and X the faces, and I created something like this, and Control R or not Control R, we can select the face and subdivide it. What I'll create is that I'll delete this one faces, and what I'll do is that I'll subdivide this. Nothing happened because we subdivided this one. You know what we will do is that we will let it like this, or we will make it we'll make it boolean. Okay, boolean modifier we can do it later on. Okay, so no worries. What we will do is that we can Control Z it. We can Control Z it. Control Z, and I will select both and subdivide them. See what happens here? But we will not worry about this. And X faces, and I'll say this one for the windows. And right now you want to put a thickness for the walls and the floors. What we will do is that we will go to the Solidify Modifier. Okay, so what we will give that, we will give this one 1 and we will give this one 0.2. something like this happened. And you might see something like this happened. How we will solve that? We will put this even thickness. Still it is not true because we subdivided it. So if we don't subdivide it, let's see, if we don't subdivide this one, this didn't happen. This is good, so that right now we know that. And we will put something like this and something like this. And what I will do is that something like this. Yeah, and I'll put a window here, and right now I will select this faces. Right now it's like this, and I'll give a solidify, and I'll say 1, 0.2, and even thickness. Okay, right now it's better, see. Okay, we solved this, but we couldn't solve this one. How we can solve this? We will tell you in a detailed lesson, because right now we can't do it. That's not the correct way to do it, and it's not a right time to do it. And I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.